print password string dot digits, and here's the password that we need. Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. This is Coding Adventures, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a password generator in Python. We're gonna use the random library in order to shuffle characters to create the password, and we're gonna prompt the user for the password length in order to create the password. So first thing, let's import random, then let's import the library string in order to define the alphabet without writing all of it. I may also, before continuing, I want to shout out for Geekflare website. There are many project articles there if you want to exercise on Python, like this random password generator. Now we want to create our sample, which we need to shuffle the password from or create the password from. So the samples is going to be including lowercase letters, uppercase letters, symbols, and numbers. So we're gonna put all of these inside one variable or inside one array. Let's name it sample and let it to be equal several things, which are in the beginning string dot ASCII letters, plus here are the alphabet letters, uppercase and lowercase, it's stored here, and also string dot punctuation. So this includes all the special characters and the symbols. As you can see here on Geeks for Geeks, here are the output of printing string dot punctuation. As you can see, all the symbols. Now we want to add the numbers, which is string dot digits. Now we added the numbers here, and here the numbers are not added as integers, they are added as a group of strings. Let's add a comment here in order to, now let's prompt the user for the password length. Pass underscore length equal int input, enter the, now we're gonna create the password variable, make it password equal, and put here an empty string, join random dot sample. This sample function in the random library allows you to create a random and shuffle many parts of the string in the sample we created already in order to create the password that we need from this pool of sample. So let's create sample. It takes two arguments. It takes the string from here, but we're gonna name this pass sample in order to enhance the readability of the code. And here we're gonna enter the string that we need to shuffle, pass underscore, no, not that, path underscore sample, and in the other argument we're gonna add the password length. Here it is. And now we're gonna print the password. Let's print password, and now let's print password variable, which we already created here. And now let's run the code. As you can see, enter the password length, and let's enter the length. Let's say like 8 characters, and here's the password that we need, as you can see. And that's it. That's how to create a password generator in Python. It was very simple, and it was also very easy. But this is also a very simple generator. Wait for the other videos. So we're gonna create a more complicated one, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if it was helpful and you enjoyed it, and stay tuned.